Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, and thank you very much for joining us. I'm your host today, and FD for SafePack.tv. We want to bring you a review of Crust Network. Crust Network, a decentralized cloud storage provider which was designed to provide decentralized storage solutions for both Web3 and Web2 ecosystems, and it is built on Polkadot substrate framework. It provides a native cross-chain communication palette based on cross-chain message passing called X storage. So, guys, what I'm going to share with you as far as Crust Network is not financial advice. If you require financial advice, I think by now you know what to do. Please approach someone who is trained to give you financial advice. The information contained in this video is just for educational as well as entertainment purposes. And if you are new as well, please consider subscribing to our channel. Even if you don't intend on coming back, we want to try and spread the word to a wider audience. So going back to Crust Network. Crust supports multiple storage layer protocols such as interplanetary file system or IPFS and exposes instant access on-chain storage functions to users. Crust Network has three main functions, that is NFT and metaverse metadata storage, personal file storage, and website or decentralized app host, which covers most of the use cases in the crypto space and even in the traditional space. Some of the products or services on offer include decentralized storage markets, Crust Files, and Crust Cloud. Now let's share some of the value propositions for Crust Network. Crust Network offers a decentralized NFT market platform where users can mint, store, and display their NFTs on a 100% decentralized infrastructure. Users can keep their data safe and always accessible. All that's required is for the user to sign in with their crypto wallet, Web3 wallet that is, and benefit from storing files in the easiest and most secure way possible. Crust also eliminates the single point of failure dilemma and the risk of downtime by on average creating 80 replicas distributed over individual nodes in the network. It also offers high resistance against DNS hijack attempts or denial of service attack. Additionally, all data is encrypted by IPFS or Interplanetary File System protocol, as well as Crust's trusted execution environment mechanism. Not even node operators or any other centralized organization can access or tamper user data. Data can be sourced and processed from many nodes at the same time without any server-side bottleneck. Crust technical stack is also capable of supporting data manipulation and computing. Cloud storage is also cheap on Crust Network, where it costs around 25 to 50% of the cost of traditional Web 2.0 storage services, for example, Amazon Web Services or Google Cloud. Crust also claims to offer lower storage costs compared to competitors like Filecoin and Arweave, two storage cryptocurrency blockchains popular within the space. Crust Network also provides users with secure, affordable, and reliable storage solutions. Crust utilizes IPFS or Interplanetary File System, which is a protocol and network designed to create a peer-to-peer method of storing and sharing hypermedia in a distributed file system. Built on top of IPFS, Crust offers decentralized storage markets, smart contracts, and cross-chain capabilities, which make it more suitable for Web3 applications. Users can also upload files up to 32 gigabytes in size through Crust Gateway and IPFS clients, with individual file sizes limited to 1 gigabyte. So that is quite a bucket list of the value Crust Network purports to bring to the space. Now, as part of our review, we are going to be applying our usual 13 elements as part of our DYO, our risk evaluation toolkit. And those 13 elements include decentralization, security, scaling, interoperability, age of the project team, project use cases, as well as the tokenomics and social media presence. Starting with decentralization, for an ordinary user to access the Crust Network decentralized storage service, all that is required is a Web3 wallet to sign in. Crust Network uses a trustless and low-cost TTE-based technology called Meaningful Proof of Work or MPOW, which validates and manages storage resources. Meaningful work means that nodes can provide efficient storage and computing resources to meet real-world storage and computing needs. Backed by MPOW, Crust is an open network that allows any storage server to join. Furthermore, files stored on Crust Network are encrypted to guarantee privacy. The choice to use Meaningful Proof of Work is the following advantages. The storage mechanism is both open and transparent. The computing for the workload and reward of storage node both are under Trusted Execution Environment or TTE protection, and nodes are freed the angst about their workload being unrequited. Extra redundancy and storage of meaningless data both are kept away from the proof of storage. Both computing resources and storage resources are utilized efficiently. The Crust blockchain ecosystem can be based on meaningful proof of work to perform more powerful functions, ensuring the evolutionary feasibility from storage consensus to computing consensus. As far as security is concerned, Crust is a blockchain network with a proof of stake derived consensus called guaranteed proof of stake. With guaranteed proof of stake consensus, the network is safe, robust, and efficient. It is guaranteed and secured by both token assets and storage resources. Crust Network distributes replications agreements globally to prevent single point of failure events to protect the stability of dApps or decentralized applications. As far as scaling is concerned, Crust has created an on-chain storage marketplace called Decentralized Storage Market or DSM. Through DSM, users can easily upload files and place storage orders in the network in only 1 to 2 minutes. To maintain the availability, up to 50 replicas are stored in the network. In addition, Crust provides a storage assurance pool for customized or permanent storage of high-value files such as NFT metadata. And some of the applications include metaverse, social finance, gamified finance, digital identity, decentralized autonomous organizations, NFTs, Web3 tools. All these are entities that have partnered with Crust Network. As far as interoperability is concerned, Crust is designed to work with a wide range of blockchains including Ethereum, Polkadot, Binance Smart Chain, and many more. This makes it easier for developers to integrate Crust within their existing project and provide more flexibility for users who want to store data on different chains. Multiple asset cross-chain bridges have been launched, including decentralized asset bridges from the Crust mainnet to Ethereum, Elrond, and the Crust Preview network, increasing the practicality of Crust. It also provides the infrastructure for Crust's cross-chain storage solutions. In addition, Crust projects are building on Ethereum, Aptos, Polygon, Polkadot, which is the lion's share, as well as the mainnet, of course, which has got 43%. Polkadot is on 26%. And there is also building happening on Near Protocol and OKC. Here are some of the use cases for CrustNet. Ticker symbol CRU. The CRU token has various use cases, including staking to maintain guaranteed proof of stake consensus, as well as saving as collateral for storage providers to provide storage services. The CRU token is also used to cover transaction fees, as well as to guarantee the selected nodes to purchase storage or other cloud services, as well as used for election and voting on-chain governance mechanism. And some of the use cases for the actual network itself, this is what we sometimes call fundamental use cases. It provides the technical infrastructure for the metaverse. You can mint, store, and exchange NFTs in a fully decentralized way. You can host websites, decentralized applications, video streaming, and much more. Web3 gaming and decentralized social media are also supported on Crust Network. Personal cloud storage to access your data from anywhere in the world, which is an advantage. You just need a digital device, as well as file sharing and streaming services. Social media presence. Crust Network boasts just over 110,800 Twitter followers, as well as just over 4,300 Discord members. The project team, there are approximately 51 team members according to LinkedIn. And now onto tokenomics. Ticker symbol CRU. Token supply 28,124,035. There is no hard cap. Circulating supply 23,528,217. Token distribution. Token sale 25%. Community development 20%. Team 20%. And business development and marketing 10%. Foundation reserves 20%. According to our own analysis of this token distribution data, insider token allocation amounts to 75% of the total, which is way above our threshold at the top end of 35%. So this will be reflected when we start issuing the scores to rate each of these 13 elements. Here's a quick rundown of the 13 elements again. We've got decentralization, security, interoperability, scaling, project team, edge of the project, social media presence via Discord as well as via Twitter. Then we look at the tokenomics and the use cases. We then score those 13 elements from 0 to 10 before aggregating the score, and it is that score that we classify under the following risk category. It's all about trying to manage the risk, and we're trying to do it in this format. So the 4 risk categories as follows. The least risk category is go for it category. The one below it where the risk is slightly increased is potential category before we go to the third level down, which is could go to 0 before we reach the highest risk, which is the no-go category. So here are the scores we've allocated to Crust Network. Starting with decentralization, 5 points out of 10. Security, 7.5 points out of 10. Scaling, 7.5 points out of 10. Interoperability, 7.5 points out of 10. Project team, 10 points out of 10. Social media presence via Twitter, 7.5 points out of 10. Social media presence via Discord, 2.5 points out of 10. And edge of the project, 5 points out of 10. Use cases, I believe Crust Network has got use cases in bucket loads. We are going to give them 10 points out of 10, which is the maximum. Tokens issued at project launch, 5 points out of 10. Tokens in circulation at the point of recording, 5 points out of 10. Maximum tokens available, 0 points because there is no hard cap. And inside the token allocation, like we intimated somewhere in the video, is way above our threshold of 35%. Therefore, we give 0 points out of 10 under this element of inside the token allocation. There you have it, folks. Those are the scores we've allocated to Crust Network across the 13 elements that form part of our DUI or our risk evaluation. Do you guys agree? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. If you were asked to give ratings to across these 13 elements, what scores will be different to the ones you've given, and what could be your justification? If you don't mind, please share with us in the comment section. As far as you are concerned, the aggregate score of Crust Network being 72.5 points out of 10, which puts Crust Network within the could go to 0 category, means Crust Network Network has got a decent future within the space because most decent projects were viewed using our DIWA or our toolkit do come under this category. Do you guys agree? Again, let us know in the comment section. Do you hold Crust Network? Personally, I don't, and we also do not hold the CRU token within the two public portfolios we share with our community. In the future, you never know, but it's something that is now under our radar, and we are going to continue to monitor it. If the price moves in our favor, we are sure we're going to make a move, and we might announce that via Twitter or do another video and share with you guys. There you have it, folks. A brief review of Crust Network, an interesting project. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comment section. Until next time, this is FD for SafePack.tv, your host for today. Bye for now.